Some of you guys have been asking how long Gracie's hair is. Well, today we measured her hair and it is 36 inches long. That's 3 feet right here. That is what I work with every day. Welcome to Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone.
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we are so thankful and we love you so much.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a woven fishtail braid. So let's get started.
I started by wetting her hair down, and I'm going to put some gel just to tame her flyaways. I'll leave a link in the description box below for anything that I've used on this tutorial. So I'm going to give her a side ponytail. Okay, so I'm going to wrap her elastic band with her own hair just to cover that. Now I'm going to use a topsy tail. After you're done with all this, let's begin with her ponytail. You're going to split her ponytail into 2 equal parts. And this does work much better when it's wet. So with the 2 sections, you're going to take this section here, the left section, and take a piece from the outside of that left section. Okay, you're going to bring it under this section. So you're going to bring it under. Okay. Now you're going to take the right section, the outer side of the right section, take a piece from that, and you're going to go over that section. And now you have these 2 little pieces. You're going to crisscross, so that means that you're going to take this section, go under that one there. Now you're going to take this one and you're going to grab it and add it to the right section of the hair. Now you have this little piece here, and you're going to take the outside of the left section. You're going to go over, because the first time you went under, just so that you can lock that in place. Now the rest, you're going to go over this section. Over, then under that little piece. And that little piece that you just went under is now going to be connected to that left section. Now you have this little piece right here. And again, now you're going to take the right section, the outside right section, take a piece of that. Try to take equal parts too of what you've done before. Okay. Now you're going to go over this section. You're going to take this section, you're going to go under this little piece. Now this little piece is now going to be combined with this section, the right section. Now you have that little piece. I'll do it one more time. Take the outside of the left strand, go over, then you take this section here, you want to take this and go under this one. Now that one that you just went under, this section here, that one now goes over to that section right here. You see that little piece here is now going to be by itself, and it's going to wait for this section to come on over here to join. Okay? The right strand, take a piece, go over, and then go under that section. See? Under that section, like a crisscross. Now this section here that just went under, you're going to bring it together on that section here. Now you can hold it right here. Okay, now this here that you went over is going to be by itself, waiting for this side to connect to it. So again, outside, I'll show you one more time before I go a little bit faster. I'm going to go and take the outside here to the left section. Going to go over that. Now it's together, it's going to crisscross each other, right? Now after it got crisscrossed, now this section that was alone is now going to get combined with the left side of the strands. Now this now is the lonely one, which is waiting for its partner on this side, okay? And it's all repeated. So you're getting a little pattern already right here. Just keep repeating it, that pattern. So I'm going to stop right here and see how the pattern looks right inside. It's all woven in. I'm going to go ahead and secure it off with an elastic band. Hide the elastic band. Put a little hairspray. And there you have it. See how cool that looks? I think this is my favorite. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy, simple, eye-catching. Do a final spin. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the 2 hearts below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. To watch more of our styles, click on over there and there.
We love you guys. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach each other. Bye!
Bye!